Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Chemophilicity. I hope all you are doing fine. So I am solving a question which was asked in CSIR UGC NET June 2011, and this question is a part C 4 marker question. So in this question we have to find out the acidity orders. Okay, so we know that acidity is directly proportional to the stability of the conjugate base, okay, of the conjugate base. So let us first draw the conjugate bases of these three compounds. So in compound A, we can say there is a proton, right? This is a sp3 carbon. So after abstraction by a base, this will form this, right? And in the second compound there are two protons, okay. So we are using one equivalent of bases. We are considering that we are using one equivalent of bases, right? So we are using one equivalent of base, so one proton will be removed. So this will form this. And in the third compound we can see this. Here is a proton. So after abstraction by a base, this will form Me, methyl and proton, negative charge, right? So now we can compare. Now just see, this compound is containing 6 pi electrons, right? This 2 double bond and a negative charge, total 6 pi electron. And this compound is containing 4 pi electron. 4 pi electron. This compound is containing 6 pi electron. So we can see this conjugate base is very much stable because this is aromatic, right? This is aromatic. And this is very much unstable because this is anti-aromatic. Because of the rule, Huckel's rule, we know that Huckel's rule is 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So here 6 pi electron, that is n equal to 1, 6 pi electrons. And anti-aromatic compound is following 4n pi electrons. So here 4 electrons, that is, it is anti-aromatic compound. So this is anti-aromatic compound. And in the last conjugate base, we can see this is also aromatic compound. So B will be the least acidic compound, okay, because this will form a very unstable anti-aromatic conjugate base. Now we have to compare between A and C. We can see that here is an extra stabilizing factor, that is, the negative charge is also stabilized by the electron withdrawing CF3 groups. CF3 groups will show very high electron withdrawing inductive effect. So in this conjugate base, along with aromaticity, there will be a stabilizing factor, that is electron withdrawing effects of 5 CF3 groups. But we can see in the last compound, the conjugate base is destabilized by the plus I effect of 5 methyl groups, right? So between A and C, A will be the most stable. So correct order of acidity will be A greater than C and B will be the least acidic. Okay, thank you.